Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Nice. This is really nice, man.
Yeah.
Do you know what these subs are rated for, RMS?
4,500 RMS.
45, okay.
45.
Wow.
Right, M45.
Nice. And,
245 audio dynamics in here. Vibrations.
Vibrations, yeah.
Okay.
So what's your name and what's in here, man?
My name is Gregory Proudford. This is a 20 Tahoe. It's got I got a Soul 8K on M45 Prime. I got 2 Pride, 1,500 and 1,000 on my hive. I got 22 speakers in here total.
Okay.
And I'm with JacobViral.
Yes,
My
sir.
man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Wow. Do you know how big the box is or anything like that?
I think it's 32-inch cubic. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Did you do the install? Who did this?
My man right here.
Marty? Okay.
Marty.
He did a really good
Yeah,
job.
my man right there.
Wow.
He did everything, all the installments.
Nice.
He told me what to buy and I bought it.
All right.
I'm a man. I gotta get up with another amp.
Is there a way I can see the back real quick?
Yeah.
She don't know how to act when she get itchy. Don't know how to act. Whoa, I'm in mode. Don't know how to act. Finessing, breaking bitches, pimping hoes. Don't know how to act. I've been popping, acting calculated. Don't know how to act.
Nice. Wow, that's a pretty big clean box.
Yeah, oh yeah.
And is that triple or quad?
Yeah.
That's some...
The speaker's only 3 days old.
Oh, it's still breaking in too?
Yeah, still only
Okay.
3 days old. Yeah, I had ZBS 18s in here first.
Okay.
Took those out, yeah.
Yeah. So what size boxing tuning? Do you know that roughly?
It's doing 32.
32.
hertz.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all birch.
Yeah, it's solid.
She's solid, yeah.
Yep.
She ain't going nowhere.
Yeah.
You got 22 speakers in here.
And what vehicle?
20 Tahoe.
Tahoe. Okay. Any kind of SPL test or all demo or show car?
I just don't. I did them yesterday. I'll show you right here.
Okay.
Here you go. Yesterday I did a test. I came in second place right here in the SUV.
Okay.
And then in the other class, I took first place. I did a 152.1.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah.
For no wall.
No wall.
And the
Yes,
subs
sir.
are still breaking
Yeah,
in.
still break 3
And you're-
days old.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I got 2 awards yesterday.
Awesome,
Yeah,
man.
my class, yes sir.
All right.
All right.
And what was your name, man?
My name is Gregory Proudford.
Gregory. Nice to meet you. Jacob
Viral.
Viral.
You shout
Yes,
out
sir.
to Purdue Farm. Thank you, brother.
You're welcome. All right, Gregory.
And I follow you all the time, man. I'm glad you got here.
You're welcome. Thank you for watching, Gregory.
Thank you, brother.
You're welcome. Some motor force on them,
Oh
too.
yeah, no M45s. I'm getting upgraded, getting audio dynamic 12 thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Is it on the Assault right now?
Yeah, Soul 8K.
Okay.
Hold on, I think you hold on. I'm the main man.
Wow. Let me boost this up a little.
Yeah.
Looks really good. Wow.
Yeah, Martin.
So,
Check him out.
yes, sir. Looks good.
DJ Durrell. Hey, Castro, go. I don't do the fake kicking. There go a rocket, it's taking it. It's a problem with you, then we straightening it. Swap out the cap, put a demon in it. Upgrade the band up, put fiends in it. I got some shooters you seen with me. We're running shit back, I just seen tenant. We gonna get straight. Straightening, yeah. Straightening. I keep the cookie like my grandma made it. I keep the keys and the pounds and the babies. Keys and the bricks came white like shady. Driving up through the avenue. Pretty little bit with an attitude. Give a shout out to the white boys. Keep you a fire, don't let them take. If they get yours, you gotta get straight. I get you up, I give them a facelift. My niggas lurking and spending the day.
Let's go back in.
Shots in this Glock 17 and bitch in the B32 dead on me. I hit that bitch with my foot in her neck. Sleeping on me now, cooking this nigga. 30K for a 20-minute set. Put some baguettes in the cardiac stick, some back. You just give me my back ends, I'm going back in. Back in. How many bitches from the club wanna go? I know you see it. I know you see it. Like damn, you on the south side. Shit, you know I think that. It's about the y'all. I know you see it. I know you see it. I'm like, I got stacks on bitch, flakes on my neck, new J's on my feet, make my outfit complete. I know you see it. I know you see it.
I got stacks on deck, niggas love my flow. Got 'em on what's that glow? You see.
Man, for 2 subs, that's pretty
Yeah,
loud, man.
yeah, oh, yeah.
They got. And what was your name, man?
My name is Gregory Proudfoot.
Gregory. Nice to meet you. JacobViral.
Shout
Yes,
out
sir.
to Purdue Farm. Thank you, brother.
You're welcome. All right, Gregory.
I follow you all the time, man. I'm glad you got here.
You're welcome. Thank you for watching, Gregory.
Thank you, brother.
You're welcome.